Okay, everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to share this vital message with you. How would you like to start an online business for less than a meal deal? Well, I want to share this opportunity with you. It's a simple yet powerful money-making opportunity, okay? Now look here for me. It says no monthly fees, no tech setup, just a $7 funnel that turns clicks into cash and keeps paying you, okay? And we like to say it like this: even your grandma could do this. So grab the link in the description area of this video and access your $7 digital income system. How it works: 3 quick steps, okay? Get instant access for $7 one time out of pocket. 2, copy and paste your link. And 3, use the included traffic playbook. Okay. Now, in closing this video, okay, you share one link. Okay. David, our AI, handles follow-up, closes the sale, triggers upgrades. You see, it doesn't get any better than this. $7, okay, for this powerful, unique system. Now, you collect commissions daily, and again, there's no monthly fees, no tech setup, just $7, a $7 funnel that turns clicks into cash and keeps paying you. And you're even able to earn more money with the pro version. That's for a nominal fee. That's up to you. You don't have to go there if you don't want to. So you don't have to worry about that unless you're ready to earn more money. So be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video. I'm also going to put some information about our health and wellness opportunity as well. Oliabo, great health and wellness company. And boy, if you're into health and wellness, you want to take a look at that as well. But there you have it for this video. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.